asylum and refugee policy in Germany. Welcome to Tochi's channel. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. In this channel, I talk about life in Germany. I give information to those who want to know more about Germany, either to come here to work or to study, and also talk about motherhood. So in this video, we are going to be looking into, for the sake of those who are planning to come to Germany to seek for political asylum, or those who are already in refugee camp or house, this video will be useful for you, especially those who are aspiring or wishing to come and seek for asylum. You need to know their policy, you need to know the rules and regulations, you need to know their requirements, you need to know who is eligible for seeking for asylum in Germany, so that you will know if you fall into this category. We are going to be talking about their rules and articles. Cool down and watch this video, because you are going to learn a lot from this video. So now let's get into it. Article 16 of the Basic Law grants victims of political persecution an individual right of asylum. The fundamental right of asylum thus has been high priority and expressions Germany's willingness to fulfill its historical and humanitarian obligation to admit refugees. Now, the people that is eligible to apply for asylum in Germany is people that have political problem, or people whose human rights has been abused from their home country. I hope you are getting me clearly now. Now, the admission procedure for asylum seeker is governed by the Asylum Procedure Act. Asylum seeker who border authorities permit to enter the Federal Republic of Germany, or who are found in the country without a resident permit, are transferred to the nearest reception center of the relevant state. Using the nationwide system for initial distribution, they are assigned to reception centers of the individual Germany state according to a formula defined in the Asylum Procedure Act. Now, the asylum process in Germany. Now, the first time you enter into Germany, especially when you are without a permanent resident, they are going to transfer you immediately to a place called reception center. Now, in that reception center, you will be questioned. They will ask you, why did you come to Germany? What brought you to Germany? What are you coming here to do? Then you explain to them, although they are not going to ask you much question in this process because you just arrived. The first thing they think they will need to do is just to take your name, your document, or any of your identification. Then they will send you to reception center. It is in that reception center that your interview date will be fixed, where you tell them what brings you to Germany. Let's proceed. I am going to be explaining it as we proceed. Now, the process in Germany. Next, after sending you to the reception center, the next thing is their asylum application is submitted to the responsible branch of the Federal Office for Immigration and Refugee for examination and decision. Asylum seekers receive a certificate of permission to reside, which grants a preliminary right to stay in the Federal Republic of Germany during the asylum procedure. Case workers personally question asylum seekers with the help of an interpreter. Yeah, you know, a lot of people coming from different countries, because in Germany here they don't speak English, but some people understand. So during the interview, they are going to provide an interpreter in case if you do not understand English or German, especially people coming from Africa or any other country that do not understand English sorry, do not understand German, they will bring somebody who can interpret your language, that language that you speak very well, so that you will be able to express yourself. Then when you say anything, the person will not translate it in Dutch for them. On their travel routine and the reason for prosecution. Now, in this process, you need to tell them how you came into Germany and what persecution or what brought you to Germany. Upon request, female asylum seekers may be questioned by a trained female case worker if the reason for flight are specific to women. The interviewer is recorded in writing and translated into the asylum seeker's language, with a copy given to the asylum seeker. The decision on the asylum application is based on the interview and any further investigation as needed. Asylum seekers are notified of the decision in writing and given information on a legal remedy. So after they interviewed you, that is asking you question about what brought you to Germany, they are going to translate right by written those things in the language which you understand. They will give it to you so that you will hold one, they themselves will hold one, in case if tomorrow you deny that this is not what you said. If the asylum application is accepted, persons granted asylum status and those granted refugee status receive a temporary resident permit and are given the same status as Germans with the social insurance system. They are entitled to social welfare, child benefits, child raising benefits, integration allowances, and language courses, as well as other forms of integration assistance. If neither asylum nor refugee protection can be granted, the BMF exam in the course of the asylum procedure whether there are grounds for a deportation ban. This obligation to conduct an intensive review is extended to ensure that there is no delay in processing. Separate from the asylum procedure, the responsible foreigners authority requests an expert opinion from the BAM and examine whether a deportation ban applies. As a rule, asylum seekers whose application has been rejected are required to leave the country. Now, after you have applied, I hope you guys are understanding me, but if you do not understand, that is why I am taking much of my time. When I read, I analyze so that you can understand. Now, if the reason that you gave to them is eligible for them to grant you political asylum, then they will give you resident permit, and that resident permit means that you are free as German. You can integrate, you can go to language courses, you can work, you can do any normal thing that a German citizen does. But if the reason that you gave to them is not eligible, then they will reject you. Rejecting you means that you are ready or ripe for deportation. But one thing I like now that they added is, even when you are rejected, they give you that opportunity to reappeal. In some cases, I have seen a lot of people that have been rejected the second time. It was during the third time that they are granted. So if they reject you the first time, do not shake, do not be afraid. Believe me, the second time they will accept it. So I believe somebody out there who wants to seek for asylum, or those there that do not know how this works, have found this video useful. Please, if you do, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. In that way, you'll be able to know when I upload a new video, because this channel, I created it for the sake of information about Germany. And also share this video. Yes, after watching, don't just watch and go, share. Who knows who may need this video? And leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this channel and the video. Until I meet you again in my next video, for now I would say bye bye.